तो लिहाजा मैं ये कहता हूँ
तो इनकार नहीं कर सकते।
जितना
जी आज जैसा कि आपको पता है हम विजिट कर रहे हैं, एक और ख़ानदान की तरफ हम आए हैं। तो हमारी बहन हमारे साथ। बहन जी आपका नाम?
Shibana.
What's your name, sister?
Father name Yunus Rahi.
Okay. Her name is Shabana, and father name is Yunus Rahil, and one of she has been affected badly.
बहन जी जब ये हादसा हुआ तो आप लोगों ने किस तरह से अपने आप को बचाया?
बस घर से जैसे ऐलान हुआ था ना, तो वैसे घर से सब बाहर चले गए थे। तो बस घर से कुछ नहीं किसी ने पकड़ा, बच्चे उठाए हैं जैसे जैसे सोए हुए थे। तो 6 बजे का टाइम था, ऐलान हो रहा था, तो सब ना बस अब चारों फैमिलियां नीचे उतर रही थी, बच्चे उठा उठा के भाग रहे थे सब बाहर। और फिर जैसे जैसे देखा किसी ने किसी चीज का लालच नहीं किया, बस अपनी जान का फिक्र किया है। छोटे बच्चे थे।
Okay. His question was that how incident this happened, and what did you do when this incident was going to start? And her reply is that early morning, it's about 6 a.m. time in morning, and it was announced in the mosque that the Christian communities has blasphemy the Holy Quran, and everyone came here to attack on the Christian community. So as soon as they listened the announcement that people are coming to kill them, coming to attack on them, so they were in that condition. So they have just run away. They have just picked their kids and they have run away.
अच्छा बहन जी आपका जो घर का नुकसान है वो तो नज़र आ रहा है कि पूरा घर टूट गया है।
Okay, you are seeing that it is really badly loss of your house. So what is your opinion, and what are you saying about this thing?
तो आपकी किसी ने मदद की है इसके अलावा?
Did anyone help you?
हम
And
चाहते हैं
what
कि
are
हमारा
you
घर
wish?
बस बना दिए। हम यही हुकूमत से अपील करते हैं कि बस हमारा घर बना देना।
She is saying that we do not have any appeal of electronics, of money, nothing else. They are just willing that her house should be constructed. That's it.
आपके बच्चे पढ़ते हैं?
हाँ भाई के बच्चे पढ़ते हैं।
कितने बच्चे हैं?
उनके 5 बेटियां हैं।
तो उनके स्कूल बैग वगैरह ये वो
सारा
सब
कुछ भाई जल गया, सारा कुछ जल गया।
बड़े भाई छोटे भाई सबके बच्चे पढ़ते हैं। She is saying that her younger brothers, he has kids. कितने?
2 भाई हैं ना नीचे।
कितने बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं?
3 बच्चे जाते हैं।
Okay, three kids are studying in a school, and their bags, their uniforms, everything have been burned out.
हम आपको इनका घर ज़रा विज़िट करवाना चाहते हैं। बॉबी भाई, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है ज़रा पूरा घर दिखा दें।
We are willing to visit you, our house. So our brother is Bobby here. He is going to visit you. Brother Bobby, please don't go ahead. You can fall down. Please come downside. Please come downside. It's very weak. She is saying that this room, they have unitedly everyone, the house of member, constructed especially for the pastors, men of God. Whosoever pastor came here, they served them by heart. They have honored them. They have respected them by heart. As you can see, this room also have been burned.